Barbie. For Barbie. For Barbie.
You're asking for Barbie?
Barbie. Barbie does.
Is it time to open presents yet?
Yes! Look. Stop.
Is it dark outside?
Yes, yes.
What does that mean?
Open present now.
Now?
Now. No, Barbie.
Hmm?
Now, wait. I have it. What is doing?
They're being naughty.
Oh, they got cold. Really? Larry! They got cold. Get cold. What are you doing?
What?
Present. That's Larry.
That's Larry.
It's a Larry. It looks like Larry.
You want to open a present?
Looks like jacket.
Can you wait a few minutes? Yeah, I think you can. You can't wait at all? You've been waiting for months. You can wait for one more minute? Okay.